Good morning, class. Today is Tuesday, May 26th. I hope you all had a fun and relaxing Memorial Day weekend. Hopefully you were able to get outside and play a little bit. Maybe you had a nice barbecue. But we are going to go into our third week of the ball unit. So my question of the day is, what makes balls move? You're going to learn two very important words today. But I want you to think about what makes balls move. Can you make a ball move? Maybe you can use your muscles to make a ball move. The first word I want to introduce to you is the word force. Force. That is a push or pull that will change how an object moves. So force will change the direction of an object. You guys use force all the time and you don't even realize it. When you're pushing or pulling, when you're riding a bike, you're using force. So push and pull. Those are two important words when we talk about force. We'll start with the word push. You guys know what push means, right? You use force from your body to push things. And it moves something away from you when you push. You can roll a ball, when you write, when you put a book away, when you kick, when you throw, when you glue. All ways that you guys push. To push is when you move something away from you, right? You push it. But when you pull something towards yourself, okay, you pull it like a door. If I was opening a door, I might pull it towards me. And when I close the door, I would push it closed. So some examples of pull. When you zip something, when you tie, climb, get a book, open a door, put on socks, you pull your socks on. A lot of things that you do every day involve pushing and pulling. So that is part of the first word, which is force. My next word is motion. I know these are some big words. Motion is movement from one place to another. So when something is in motion, it is moving. You might see that a lot at a playground. A seesaw, swings, a merry-go-round. They're moving, they're swinging, and they're in motion. So that is my other word, motion. Moves from one place to another. You guys make balls move all the time by rolling, kicking, throwing, which is you using your own force. So force and motion, they have to do with making our balls move, pushing and pulling. You guys are gonna notice more now that I mentioned it, how many times you push and pull all day long with opening doors, zipping up a jacket or a sweatshirt, pulling on your socks. You're gonna say, wow, I just pulled my socks on. I'm using force, right? So force is very important in making balls move. Today, for our morning center activity, you're gonna do something fun, and you guys are going to create ramps. So I'm gonna show you some examples, and then I'm also going to attach a video that Miss Sarah made of fun ways to create ramps with paper towel rolls and balls. So a ramp, this says the word slide, but a ramp kind of looks like this. You have a highest point up here. It starts higher at the top and it slopes down. I also have this image to show you. So you can make your own ramp at home. That is what I want you guys to do for your morning center activity. You can use anything to build up a ramp. You can use a box. You can use paper towel rolls. And you're going to take a ball or a car like they did here, and you're going to build your own ramps, and you're going to roll your object down the ramps and see how far you can get them to go. So I want you to do this any way you would like. You can stack books and then lean something on the books like a ruler and have something roll down that. But I want you to try and experiment with this as well. I want you to try and put the ramp at different heights and see if that makes a difference in how far your object, your ball, your car, whatever you have, will roll. So here they stacked it by 3, okay? And this ramp, they stacked it by 5, and then they rolled a ball down in. So I want you to do the same, and then see if the ball will roll further if it starts on a low ramp or a higher ramp. I wonder if it'll get more speed here and go farther on your floor. So I'm curious to see what happens there. So you can build these ramps any way you would like. You can use cardboard tubes, blocks if you have. I'm sure you guys have all of these things at home. And I hope you have fun with this. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and I can't wait to see your ramps. And I will see you all this afternoon for our religion lesson. Bye, guys.